doesn't matter, I want to get them both where they're lined up. So it needs to go up more. Same thing, one more time. There you go. Okay, so we're bending this one. Okay. Now we'll go up. Did it move?
I don't know.
It moved too much? Oh.
Made it tighter.
Now you screwed it up. Now you did it. Yeah, so much for the easy part. Oh, Jesus, it's tight. Oh, that was so easy before.
Yeah, it was. Put a chisel in there.
Damn.
You don't have nothing to spread it with?
I want to spread it. I want to get the thing up where it belongs. It means we bent it quite a bit. It moved. Damn.
Use the WD-40. I think we're there. Where'd you go up so far? Went up too far, huh?
Yeah, but it's right on the money.
Is it?
And now it's but it's not quite lined up on this side.
You don't think so?
I can see it's not. That's close. Okay, I got to drop this one down about a 1/4 inch. But you dropped it. Right on the moony.
Right on the money?
The money is pretty close to the other one too.
Pretty good.
Tired.
Well, I'll bet. I bet you are. That's a fucking workout.
Okay. You know what? Let's use move the camera. Alright, so how close is that for centered?
Perfect. That's perfect.
And this hole over here, it's going to be close to where it needs to be too. But we won't know until we pull the tree up. Okay, I'm tired, so you do it to work.
Hold the tree.
And we hold so much. I thought that one went up easy. Yeah, it must have been the other one that was easy. So much for being easy. You getting tired?
You can do it, Tatro.
Whoa, whoa, stop. Go down. Stop. Okay, hold it for a minute. Up on the center. Okay, so what's
Of
our
an 1/8
here?
inch.
So this is good here, so I'm happy with this. So now we can get this tree here, this fork to line up where we want it to be. Okay, so which way do we actually need to move this thing? Needs to go back. Needs to go down a little bit more. And then it needs to be twisted slightly toward the back, which should be down.
Yeah, down that way.
Yes. Okay, so we need to go which way? Outward? Yeah, we need to go outward. Out and down. In this case, that'd be in. Down here, it'd be opposite, so it'd be in. Yeah, and you go inward and downward, and that should line that right up. And we already had it bent that far, so it shouldn't take a ton to make it get back to that spot.
Can you take this out?
Nope. Right there.
Try it just like that, huh?
Back is not happy for some reason.
I'll bet. Tatro, you do a lot of work.
Well, why use your brain when you can do it the hard way? Which one am I moving?
This one.
You sure?
Yep. Paused over.
Okay, so let's go. Up, grab the tree. Put it down. What are we doing different? We obviously don't need that. This goes this direction. Okay. Well, something's different. Now we can use a tree. Okay. Pull out a little bit. There's the block. Ooh, that felt soft. Okay. Whew.
It's this one.
Okay. Huh? Which one are you bending?
It's this one, isn't it?
It's that one.
Is it this one? No, it's not. It's just the one I stuck up in there, isn't it? Or did I stick this one up in there?
I'm pretty sure it's that one.
Okay.
Which one's the lower one? That one.
That one?
Trying to confuse me.
Okay.
Pretty sure it's this one. Because
Okay.
this is the one that was good. The brake side was bad.
Okay.
See how this one's all the way up? See how this one's only halfway up?
Down. Yeah, because I didn't put it up all the way.
Okay, so I need you to do is I need you to come over here and hold this one right here.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit this with a hammer.
Okay.
And instead of just going straight down, we're going to hit a glancing ball at an angle. We can go in this direction also. So that'll do a twofer thing and go like we need it. So, you got that? Okay, can you do that?
Yeah.
You're going to hold it.
Hold it down or up?
It's going toward you.
It's going. Okay.
Ready? It felt pretty soft. I don't know if that moved or not. There's a lot of movement there. Oh, that's because we didn't tighten that thing down. Okay, well, that might be enough to do something though. Okay, let's swap sides. We'll pull it out, check it, and if we don't like it, we'll put it back up and do it again. We're good at doing everything 3 times. Alright, where's it at? Where's the tree? Get this one in first. Swipe it down all the way down. Should just go down evenly. Don't have to follow it.
Oh, you're exact, dude. You're exact.
Hold it. Quit prying on it. See, like that?
Yeah.
You can live with that fit?
I can live with that.
You can live with that?
Hell yeah, I can.
He's not as picky as he looks like.
All that work he did. That's fucking bitching, dude.
Well, I don't know if it's straight, but it's there.
It's a lot better than it was.
The problem is all this stuff here now doesn't work.
Yeah.
So I got to work on that now.
Well, I think you stick something through there and just bend it, can't you?
Or you just fix the problem. Okay, so you think that's right on the money, huh?
I think that's on the money, dude.
I don't think so.
I think once you loosen it all up, put it in the trees,
Let's see.
put it in the neck, and then slide them up in there, I think it'll fit.
No,
No? Still needs to be hit?
it didn't move at all
It didn't?
sideways. It needs another hit, same thing.
Same thing, huh?
But it needs to go more inward than outward. There's too much flex. So this time we need to tighten the tree down. Right
Tighten
here.
that?
Yeah. Let's get this over here a little bit. Okay, tighten it down this time. That way we get our force will actually do something.
I ain't been doing nothing. You did all the work.
Okay, on that side. Okay, this time I want more toward you, so it's going to try to twist.
That probably did it, Tatro.
Nope, it rotated. Hold it. All right. Still high on that side by quite a bit.
This side?
Yeah. But he fell off the block.
Oh, it's fell off the block, that's why.
It was off the block already. Okay, get out. It helps to have things evenly.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we can check the stick. Let's see what we got. Still low on that side, isn't it?
No.
No?
No, not from back here. It doesn't look like it's
Nothing
low.
back there? You think it's good?
Back here it looks okay.
It looks straight?
Maybe an 1/8 inch off.
The
You
three-
look at the bottom of the tree.
The 3 foot
If
straight
you look
edge?
at the bottom of the tree, it looks like it's made an 1/8 inch difference.
The three, it's definitely more area there than over here.
Not much.
It's different though. Where's your tape measure? Right here. Measure it. Pick a spot. Top or bottom. Your choice. Not that. Straight edge. Straight edge.
Oh, measure straight edge.
Yeah, get on the edge.
Okay, that's 45 and
And a half on the top.
a half.
Look like
the
44 is what I made, but whatever.
45 and a half on this side.
Alright. So you think it's close?
Yep.
Do you think this floor is flat?
No. I think that's pretty close though.
I know it's not flat, but it's close. Alright. Take it off. Do a measurement. Set that.
Tree on.
All I know is a little bit closer than I was when we started.
A little bit closer when we started, a lot closer.
This one all the way. Don't worry about the other side. Get this one going first. There you go. You're fighting it. Gravity. Just like gravity do it.
Yeah. Well, this isn't straight. It's ours, not lengthwise.
Needs to go out.
It needs to go in. This bottom needs to go that way.
Needs to go this way.
Yeah.
We're close because you can hear it banging in there. It's good. So you know you're pretty damn close because see you can move it back and forth in the free play now, see?
Yep.
That means you're pretty damn close.
I'd leave it like it is.
These things have a lot of flex in them when you're in here, so we can shove
Yeah, I
them up
know.
in there. And we're in the center here, and we're
Yeah.
not binding, it's just laying there.
No, it's just laying there. I'd leave it like it is, Tatro.
Okay, so let's undo that nut. Then we got the fun part, get it apart.
Well, I didn't even see that other one was stripped out.
Okay, this was the easier of the two going up, but they're both very hard to get up. So, how are we going to get these out of here? They get one out. Yours was the easiest to come out, I think. So let's let gravity kind of help us a little bit. See if I go down. Okay, that was the easy one. So, now for the fun one. Mine. Hold that for a second. Okay, stick her up in there. Nice holding fixture. Alright, this is the holding fixture.
Oh my God.
What? Is it hard? Yeah, it's loose.
Oh my God. God damn, Tatro, how do you move that thing?
It wasn't easy. Turn it the other way. Turn the other way.
I can't even move it.
Well, you jammed it up now? No, I can't
jammed
get it.
up.
See it jamming in.
Yeah. There you go.
Nothing to it. Simple. Simple.
Flexor.
That was easy.
Oh my God.
No problem at all. All right, we'll be back in a couple minutes. Gotta do some honing.